fishing, woodworking, karate, music writing, figure skating. For preteens, teens, and adults, can be done at the snow park or at home on the pool, provided you installed a weather machine and switched to snow. Unlocks key to ski lift at the snow park. The second time completing the collection unlocks figure skating outfit. After that, town value booster SS 50,000. Pros, none. Cons, low rewards. Diving, ballet, fashion designing, ghost hunting.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.